Reggie?
Yeah, so is this?
This is Luigi from Delta. This is a attempt to collect one debt.
Why you not they call my phone?
What do you mean? My youth, your flight was cancelled, but you still have to go pay that. You understand this?
Hey, waiting, why they call my phone like this?
Relax, settle down. Let me tell you this. You want to know how to send the payment?
Which payment?
Me cash app payment.
Yeah, where you go? Yo, you might come to this phone like.
Come through now. Bad man forward, bad man pull up. Luigi me say.
I go call right now. Send the address.
Send address. Your mother. But address. Your mother.
Don't they play with me? Why don't they call my phone? I cancel flight. I don't want to go again. Now they call my phone. How do they make any kind of payment?
Translator. Hold on there, sir. Hold on. Translator.
Why do they worry these people? Why are they going to call my phone like this?
Why the money I look? Translator, you don't pay me enough for them, son, yeah, man. Oh, yes, sir. Me here. You can't talk to me. Here.
You didn't ask me for a second minute before you people say me there. You don't ask me if me there.
Sorry, sir. This side of me a quiet. Oh, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown.
Me not there.
Sorry, sir. You missing by a quarter there.
Then come here alone, can't drink half this. Go for one cup and make you some frats. I the new juice, they will come down in and they stand up in the night till daylight. No one of them.
Dean, no bother with that, because that now go help you. Look here now. You know say me I go eh? You know say me I go a foreign door. You don't know what I go on at the time, you know. You don't know what I go on. Barack Obama called me say me fit come.
Hi, my name is Shakana. I have been kidnapped. No makeup, no eyelash, nothing. Just
Really waiting there with paper, George. Benny waiting to worry you.
Him have gone. Pussy claw, me read. Oh my God. He want $1 million. That's a lot of money, God. Jesus Christ. $1 million. He want it by tomorrow. And if him not get it, me dead. That's violent. Sir, them not gonna pay that by tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Give him on the money before me dead. Me don't want. I do not want to dead.